Yeah, good afternoon. This video is for solicitors, lawyers, and law firms. I'm recording this video because I've been playing in the legal and tech industry for quite some time. And the first thing when I speak to solicitors, I say, do you know how to use artificial intelligence and ChatGPT very well? And the first thing is they would say yes, but they haven't gone through any training and it's more or less like garbage in, garbage out. So I've made this video so that you can see the power of ChatGPT. As you can see, I've got my prompts there, which have been clearly defined. With that prompting, I could go into now. My system is well organized with our software that we use. So I've got a regulatory compliance. If I click on that, you can see this is about operating more efficiently and effectively. I could then just select anything and it will prompt me and I could put anything. Let's just for example, I'll just say SRA regulations, regulations. And the minute I do that, it would automatically put that in the prompt, saving you time and efforts trying to rewrite anything. Apart from that, I can select it whether I want a letter, a mail, an article. With the writing style that I want, these are not really truly possible unless you know what you're doing within ChatGPT. The length of the article, maybe 400 words, right? I want to dig a bit deeper. Maybe I want to compare, evaluate, expand, verify. And you can select the language that you want as well. But in this case, we'll stick with the default. And you could go with any sort of framework that is quite common in the marketing space. And off you go. You do that, and it will begin to generate the responses. Now, what's even more interesting, as the responses are being generated, you can save it so you can get back to it in, in easy, and it would organize everything for you at some point. So going back to my prompt again, I want to do something with maybe contract analysis. I would select the contract analysis, select, please review the contract between, I would just say Sam Smith and XYC company, which is just fictitious names. Update will automatically put it into the prompt, and off you go again. But because this time around there's got to be a contract that I need to review. So that is just one of the many aspects of um, ChatGPT that is possible. But that's a legal aspect, and you could write a book, email marketing, digital marketing. The it's certainly very powerful if you know what you're doing. If I wanted to write a sales mail in the legal industry, I could do that. So I would say we are launching um, a GDPR training program that is designed for the law firms. The three main benefits. So you begin to put it in. As you put it in, it will update it. And so let's just put GDPR training. GDPR training designed for law firms. So you don't have to type everything. And the benefits will be, let's just say, data privacy. Another benefit is data security. And maybe another thing could also be client satisfaction, let's say. Okay. And we'll write a sales an email inviting the readers to buy these products that we have, which is our training products, at, let's say, maybe 25% discount, 25% off. So basically, once I do that, that's it. Update. See, I don't have to type anything in. I don't have to go through the pain of actually putting everything in. These are tried and tested prompts that will get you results. And off you go. It would produce that results. And that's it. I could vary the length. If I was writing a blog, I could write in a friendly way, an expert type, could be anything at the same time. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. And obviously, there's lots of training that we do offer law firms to make it experts in this field of artificial intelligence. There is a lot that this can do. Thank you.